You can do anything you want to do, anything you can imagine. I grew up really thinking, okay, maybe that's a cliche, like, okay, sure, you can do anything you want. But guess what? Actually, you can.
Going to space is the most emotional and spiritual journey you will ever take. And I think this film hooks you on how emotional it is.
The future of the young kids today and the education of the people that are 16 and younger, those are the people that are probably going to be on those first missions.
Maybe some of our first planetary science graduating class of students who graduated just about 10 years ago might be some of the first astronauts on Mars, using some of the things they learned in our classes about the planets, about the geology of Mars, to actually go study things in Mars.
Right now, for the students to realize, if you're really interested in space and the opportunities in space, that there's a huge gap in terms of life support. So there's going to be so many opportunities for students across all different disciplines to contribute to what comes next in space.